getting skinny. Well, at least just because. But you were getting skinny. I am getting skinny. Oh, and then I had a green tea drink. No, you're here for the vibe. It's okay. You're here for the vibe. It's nice just having people around. Where'd it go? I dropped it! No, it's right there. Oh. don't like coming out when I just showered, but I just remembered that I put seeds in here and I haven't checked on them since that day, so they're probably in need of some water. All right. So let's take a look at our seeds. They actually still look wet, so they're probably fine. But let's see. Spinach wise, I don't see anything coming out, but that's okay. I kind of figured spinach wouldn't work because I think it's going to do better in the wintertime. Cucumbers are sprouting. Look at them go. The eggplants, I don't see much. No, I see one little sprout right there. But that's all I'm seeing right now. And then for the bok choy, we're seeing some come up here. So that's good as well. Okay, let's go ahead and check on my infusion, my oil infusion of elderflower and calendula. I think I started it a couple weeks ago now, so let's look at it so far. I'm gonna infuse it for another week or two, but for now, every few days, I just like to kind of roll it around, put it back in here. Just wanted to give you guys an update out here. I am seeing some true leaves popping up. These two right here, over here as well. The chamomile, I'm seeing a lot of sprouts. So good morning, friends. I am feeling a bit under the weather, so it's been a couple days since I filmed anything. Just not feeling too well, but I figured we'd come into the garden, give you an update. It's been a couple days since we've done this. Also, my brother-in-law really hyperfixated on getting these pavers to be unburied, and he did a really good job. So, one of these days here, we're gonna go ahead and put we have like this outside like couch that the in-laws gave us. So we're gonna put this outside so that we have like a nice place to sit. First thing I'm noticing is some sprouts from the okra and the chickpea. Oh, and I also see a sprout in here, which I believe my girlfriend planted a cucumber randomly. So I think that's a cucumber sprout. Not sure. Then we have the marigold. That is looking good. I see some more buds coming out. The tomato is looking surprisingly good. It's been raining a lot, so I figured the leaves would not look too well because they don't like to be wet usually. But these are looking pretty good so far. And then the bell pepper is looking nice and big. We do see some little sprouts in the middle there of what I'm assuming is going to be some flowers coming out. But yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. I just woke up, well, I just got out of bed, but I saw my girlfriend in the backyard, so let's see what she's doing. What you doing? I don't trust you. Okay, I don't trust you. Alright, let's take a look at the planties. This pepper's looking really healthy and big. As far as the tomatoes, oh, we do have a little flower here. If you guys can see that. Oh my god, these bok choys are getting so long. I do fear it's because they're not getting that much sun. I mean, the sun kind of shines in, but not much, and I feel like that's why it's growing so lanky and tall. Okay, we're gonna try them out here for a day or two, see how they do. They get more sun. Right now it's shaded, but they will get more sun, slightly more sun. Hopefully it makes them grow more leaves rather than tall, because they're looking a little too tall right now. I'll be completely honest with you guys, I don't have too many plans for today besides the little barbecue that they want to do later. Last night a game called Moonlight Peaks came out, which is this one right here. And I've been following this game in development for years. I'm probably gonna play a little bit of that. I've also been playing a lot of Fields of Mystria, which is another farming sim. Checked the garden already, it's doing good. There's something more I need to do right now. The only thing I need to do is plant these spring onions. These spring onions that we tossed in water have been growing. And technically you can kind of keep them there, but we're gonna put them in the beds, probably in the front near the other herbs, because I just feel like there's too much sun in the back. They won't do too well. Hi guys. Happy Wednesday. I have some bad news for you guys, and it's definitely my fault because I got lazy. My laziness is costing us. Remember, I moved the seedlings outside to get more sun? Well, the plan was we would move them outside temporarily and then move them back inside, like late evening-ish, to get them back in the shade, because again, the sun, the rain, the animals. So the plan was to do that, but we got really lazy yesterday. We ended up playing a very long game of Magic the Gathering after doing the little barbecue in the backyard, and we forgot to put the plants away. And unfortunately, I think they are KO'd. So let's take a look at the seedlings. Brace yourself; it's sad. We're gonna go ahead and replant some seeds now because you just gotta keep moving forward. Okay, so let's take a look at the plants. I don't know if you can see already. Okay, so here's the state of the seedlings. Again, totally my fault. They were not ready to be in the Florida sun like that, and definitely my fault. Like cooked them basically. So we're gonna go ahead and replant all of these. Unfortunately, also I am always in my pajamas when I film because I don't. I never change to go outside. I just kind of. I'm messy. All right, I need to get out of here. It feels like hell. It's so hot. See, it's 95, but it feels like 107. And it definitely feels so freaking hot. But luckily, it's looking like we're gonna get thunderstorms soon, so let's keep our fingers crossed.
It's a couple hours later. I've been playing Fields of Mistral this whole time. It never rained. It never rained, unfortunately. So we're gonna go outside and water the plants because they need rain. I'm still in awe, by the way, with how much of a difference this backyard looks. We took away the cushions in case it rained. This, by the way, is going to be converted into another bed. Basically, this is upside down if you couldn't tell. We're going to use the post to put like a shade cloth on top and maybe grow some more sensitive plants like lettuce and stuff in here. Okay, that's all I have for you guys right now. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here.
Hello, my friends. I am currently editing the video, and I realized I never actually filmed an outro, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. It has been like a week since the last thing I filmed, so the garden's still growing. It's doing pretty good, but I'll show you updates and stuff in the next vlog. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys here. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!